In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a dumbbell pullover on one of these Swiss balls. Now, firstly, what we're going to do is pick the weight that we want to choose. We're going to be working the chest muscles and also our lats, so chest and back muscles. From here, you can either decide to have your hands on the side of the top of the dumbbell. So if you've got a bigger weight, you might prefer that. Alternatively, another way, and what I'm going to show you, is actually having the thumbs underneath the top of the dumbbell and wrapping the fingers around. It does depend on the dumbbell you're using and style, but those are two techniques that you can do and try when you're doing your dumbbell pullover. Now, from your start position, which is seated nice and upright on the Swiss ball, I'm going to walk my feet away, and as I do so, I'm going to end up in a position where my head and also my upper back is in contact with the Swiss ball. Notice how I'm keeping my hips up nice and high, so I'm feeling my glutes and hamstrings squeeze, and I'm going to bring the dumbbell above the position of my face. Elbows are completely locked out, and from here I'm going to slowly come back as far as I can. Keeping my elbows locked out, I come back to my start position. So over the top of your chest, behind your head, fully lengthen, and back to your start position. One more time, dumbbells above your chest, then your face, then behind your body, fully lengthen, and without bending your elbows, come back to your start position. So those elbows are always bent. Once you're done, roll up back onto the Swiss ball, and then you have completed your dumbbell pullover exercise. You would do that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions, and that is how to do a dumbbell pullover.